Stop wasting $400 on a US LLC just to get Shopify payments. Most creators in unsupported countries get rejected because they follow outdated advice. If you've been struggling with proof of address or identity verification, here is exactly how you fix it in 2026 without the overhead. The secret isn't a US entity, it's a valid GBP bank account, like Payoneer, linked correctly to your store. But here's where most people fail. The documents. Shopify is looking for a specific match between your store address and your bank statement. You must have a valid UK address to get approved, and I have many ways for you to get it since you can't easily get one. First option, which is easy and instant. Let's use my company details to set up Shopify payments on your store, then you just attach your bank. Or, we register your UK Limited with my tricks that can get you your valid UK personal proof of address, which Shopify Payments accept. Or, take my fully detailed blueprint that contains the whole process and do everything by yourself, just like I do. All links are in comments section and description.